Welcome back to BitcoinDorks. Today, we're diving into some exciting news fresh off the press. Coinbase, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges, has announced support for the Bitcoin Lightning Network. Let's get right into it. So, what exactly is the Lightning Network, and why is Coinbase's support for it making waves? To put it simply, the Lightning Network is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Bitcoin. It aims to address some of the scalability issues that have plagued the Bitcoin network, allowing for faster and cheaper transactions. Now, let's delve into the details of Coinbase's decision to integrate the Lightning Network. This move comes as part of Coinbase's ongoing efforts to improve the user experience and make transactions more efficient for its users. By leveraging the Lightning Network, Coinbase users will be able to send and receive Bitcoin almost instantly, with significantly lower fees compared to traditional on-chain transactions. But what does this mean for the broader crypto ecosystem? Well, for starters, it could potentially pave the way for greater adoption of Bitcoin as a medium of exchange. The Lightning Network's ability to facilitate fast and cheap transactions makes it a compelling solution for everyday payments, opening up new possibilities for merchants and consumers alike. The integration of the Lightning Network into Coinbase's platform has the potential to revolutionize how Bitcoin is used in commerce. Historically, one of the primary criticisms of Bitcoin has been its scalability issues, with transaction times and fees sometimes becoming prohibitive, especially during periods of high network congestion. However, with the Lightning Network, these concerns are mitigated, as transactions can be processed off-chain, enabling almost instantaneous payments with minimal fees. This newfound efficiency in Bitcoin transactions could lead to widespread adoption by merchants seeking to accept cryptocurrencies as a form of payment. Currently, many businesses are hesitant to integrate Bitcoin payments due to concerns about slow confirmation times and high transaction fees. However, with the Lightning Network, these barriers are significantly reduced, making it more feasible for merchants of all sizes to accept Bitcoin without worrying about the practicalities of processing payments. The Lightning Network's ability to support microtransactions opens up new avenues for monetization and revenue generation in various industries. For example, content creators, such as bloggers, podcasters, and YouTubers, could leverage microtransactions to receive direct payments from their audience for access to exclusive content or to support their work. Similarly, online retailers could offer pay-per-view or pay-per-download services without being burdened by traditional payment processing fees. On the consumer side, the Lightning Network enhances the user experience by enabling seamless and cost-effective transactions. Whether it's buying a cup of coffee, paying for digital content, or sending money to friends and family, users can enjoy the convenience of instant Bitcoin transactions without worrying about exorbitant fees eating into their funds. The impact of this enhanced usability cannot be overstated. Traditional payment methods, such as credit cards and bank transfers, often come with significant transaction fees and processing times, especially for cross-border payments. This has led to frustration among consumers who are increasingly seeking faster, more cost-effective alternatives. Enter the Lightning Network, a game changer in the world of digital payments. Consider a scenario where you want to purchase an ebook, stream a movie, or access premium content on a website. Traditionally, you would have to go through a cumbersome payment process involving credit card details, billing addresses, and authentication codes. However, with the Lightning Network, you can make microtransactions with ease, unlocking access to content with just a few clicks. This newfound convenience extends beyond retail purchases to peer-to-peer transactions as well. Whether you're splitting a bill at dinner, reimbursing a friend for concert tickets, or sending money to family members abroad, the Lightning Network offers a seamless solution for transferring funds instantly and inexpensively. No more waiting days for bank transfers to clear or dealing with hefty remittance fees, just fast, frictionless transactions, powered by Bitcoin. But perhaps the most significant impact of the Lightning Network lies in its potential to drive mainstream adoption of Bitcoin as a viable alternative to traditional fiat currencies. For years, skeptics have dismissed Bitcoin as a speculative asset with limited real-world utility. However, with the Lightning Network, Bitcoin transitions from a store of value to a medium of exchange, capable of competing with established payment systems on speed, cost, and convenience. This shift has profound implications for the future of finance. As consumers become accustomed to the speed and efficiency of Lightning Network transactions, they may increasingly prefer Bitcoin over traditional payment methods for everyday purchases. This, in turn, could lead to greater acceptance of Bitcoin by merchants, who stand to benefit from lower transaction fees and reduced risk of chargebacks. The Lightning Network's integration into platforms like Coinbase helps to bridge the gap between the crypto and fiat worlds, making it easier for everyday users to transition to a decentralized financial system. By providing a user-friendly interface for Lightning transactions, Coinbase lowers the barrier to entry for newcomers to the world of Bitcoin, fostering greater adoption and acceptance in the process. The integration of the Lightning Network into popular platforms like Coinbase helps to legitimize Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in the eyes of the general public. As a trusted and regulated exchange, Coinbase's endorsement of the Lightning Network sends a powerful signal to both consumers and businesses that Bitcoin is a legitimate and viable form of currency. This increased legitimacy could encourage more widespread acceptance of Bitcoin in mainstream financial services, such as banking and lending, further solidifying its position as a legitimate asset class. That being said, the Lightning Network's integration into Coinbase represents a significant milestone in the evolution of digital payments. By enabling seamless, cost-effective transactions, the Lightning Network empowers consumers to embrace Bitcoin as a viable alternative to traditional fiat currencies. That's all for today's video.